On this video today, I'm going to show you an extremely cheap traffic source that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is available worldwide, so wherever you are in the world, you can use this method to make money from home. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. Press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. You can join Clickbank, you can join David Store 24, Warrior Plus, or any affiliate marketing network that you want. In this case, I'm going to be using Clickbank. So once you create your accounts on Clickbank and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on the marketplace so that you can find digital products to promote. Once you click on the marketplace, you're going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to find a product to promote. There are a lot of different products that you can promote on Clickbank. If you want products under health and fitness, you can get them right here. If you want products under e-business and e-marketing, you can click right here to get it. Spirituality, new age and alternative beliefs, self-help, home and garden, cooking, food and wine, green products. Any of these categories that you want a digital product to promote, you can click on it to get a product. If you click right here all, you can see there are many other categories of products that you can choose to promote. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting a product under the health and fitness. So click right here, health and fitness. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see right here, sort resource by. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to select gravity high to low. Click on that. Once you click on it, the products are now sorted based on the number of affiliates who have made sales promoting the product. You can see the first one is Live Pure. This product, the gravity score is 657.81. So a lot of different affiliates who promoted this product last week have made a sale. So we can equally make a sale when we promote the product because a lot of people like it. The best part is that they have a recurring rebel. So if you earn the main commission of the sale, the product owner is going to sell an upsell product to the customer. Once they buy the product, you are going to be earning $12.55. So it's a good product that you can promote. When you scroll down, there are many other products that you can promote under the health and fitness. You can see this one right here, I carry juice. The gravity score is high. If you promote it, you are going to be earning $138.04 per every sale that you get. There are a lot of them. So as I scroll down, you can see many different weight loss products that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see a whole lot of them. Any of them that you promote, you are going to make a sale because all of them have a higher gravity. You can see most of them, the gravity score is above 100. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. In this video, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting the first product, Live Pure. So to promote the product, there are a lot of different factors that you can consider. The first thing is whether you can get affiliate resources to promote the product. The next one is whether you can make a sale promoting the product. There is a proof that we can make a sale promoting the product. Now what you have to do is that we have to check whether we have affiliate resources that we can use to promote the product. To get the affiliate resources, you are going to click right here, affiliate page. Once you click on the affiliate page, you are going to see a page like this. You have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see you have to enter your tracking ID and click right here, generate hub link, so that you can get your affiliate link. But you can get an affiliate link on Clickbank, so don't worry about that. Apart from that, when you scroll down, you can get other resources that you can use to promote the product. If you want videos and images that you can use to promote the product, you can see right here, you are going to click on Google Drive so that you can get images and videos of the product. So I'm going to click on it for you to see. Once I click on it, you can see these are resources that you can use to promote the product. They have add thumbnails, finished ads, add images, raw materials, short loop ads. Any of them that you want, you can download it and then use it to promote the product. If you want to download it, you are going to click on the three dotted line, click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to select download so that you can download the resources onto your device. Once we have gotten to know that they have resources for affiliates, the next step is that we are going to look at the landing page. We want to know some basic information about the product before we promote it to the customers. So just click on the name of the product. Once you click on the name of the product, you can see this is the landing page of the product. This is the exact page that our potential visitor is going to see before they purchase the product. You can see a whole lot of different information about the product. As I scroll, you can see they have a lot of different information about the product. You can see a whole lot of different information about the product. So now once you have gotten to know some basic information about the product, the next step is that we have to get our affiliate link. To get your affiliate link, you are going to click right here, promote. Once you click on promote, you are going to see a page like this. If you are using many traffic sources, you have to enter a tracking ID so that you can find out which of the traffic sources is generating sales. If you are using one traffic source, there is no need for you to enter a tracking ID. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, create hub link. Once you click on create hub link, you can see this is your unique affiliate link. So anytime people buy the product through this link, you are going to be paid $148.71. So now once we have gotten our affiliate link, the next step is that we have to drive traffic to this link so that we can get people to buy the product for us to earn a commission. There are two ways that you can use to get traffic to this link. We have the paid traffic and the free traffic. In this video, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a paid traffic source that you can use to get many people to buy the product so that you can be earning a commission on Clickbank. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is Bid Magnet. Just search for Bid Magnet. Once you search for it, you can see bidmag.net. That is their website. Once you're on the website, you can see you can be an advertiser on the website. You can be a publisher on the website. As an advertiser, you are going to be buying traffic on this website so that you can get many people to buy the product that you are promoting. As a publisher, you are going to be running ads on your website so that when you get people to click on it, this website will pay you. In this case, what you are going to be doing is that we are going to be using the advertiser. So you have to create an account so that you can advertise any link that you want on the platform. To create an account, you are going to click right here, join now. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. You have to enter your full name, your email address. You have to enter your password, confirm your password. You have to enter your Skype ID. You can see contact, and you are going to enter this code right here. Once that is done, you are going to click right here. I have read and fully accepted terms of service. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down and then click right here, sign up, so that you can create your free accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. The next step is that you are going to create a campaign. To create a campaign, you are going to click right here, new campaign. Once you click on new campaign, you are going to see a page like this. The first step is that you have to enter the campaign name right here. So type the campaign name. In this case, I'm going to be using the product name. So type the product name right here, left here. Once that is done, you are going to select the ad format. You can click on it and then select any of the ad formats that you want. If you want banner image, push notification, banner, you can select that. But in this case, I'm going to select direct link / pop under. So select that. Once that is done, you can see the cost model. The only option is CPM. That is cost per mail. You are going to be paying per every 1,000 visit that you get. So just leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see targeting, geos, that is countries. You are going to select the countries that you are targeting. In this case, I'm going to select the tier 1 countries. Instead of all countries in the world, you have to select the tier 1 countries. So I'm going to type United Kingdom. So first one is United Kingdom. You can see it right here, select it. The second one is United States. So let's search for it. United States, you can see it right here, click on it. Once you click on it, you can see it right here. The next one is Australia. Let's search for Australia. You can see it right here, click on it. Once that is done, the next step is Canada. You can see it, just click on it. Once that is done, the next country is New Zealand. So search for New Zealand. You can see it right here, click on it. Once that is done, you are going to search for South Africa. So you can see it right here, click on it. Once you have selected the countries, you can enter the specific cities right here. In this case, we are not targeting any city, so just leave it. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see operating system, the device operating system. You are going to select any kind of device that the people are using. In this case, we are targeting all operating systems. Once that is done, you can see the browsers. We are not going to select any browser, just leave it. Once that is done, you can see browser language. You are going to enter the language that you are targeting. In this case, the product is in English, so you are going to search for English. We want people who understand English so that they can read the information on the landing page and then buy the product. The product landing page is not in any language, it's only in English, so you have to select English. Once that is done, we are going to scroll down. You can see operator, just leave everything. Vendor, just leave everything. Once that is done, you can see right here keywords targeting. This one is the most important aspect that you must consider. You have to enter the right keywords so that you can get the right people to click on your link and then buy the product. For the keywords, we are going to be using this software to generate them for us. The name of the software is arif.com. So just search for arif.com. Once you search for it, we are going to click on free keyword generator. Once you click on that, see a page like this. If you want to select some keywords on Google, you are going to select Google. If you want any of the search engines, you are going to select it. You can also choose the country that you want to get the keywords from. If you click on it, you can select any country that you want. In this case, we are going to leave it with the United States, so just leave it like this. Once we have selected the search engine and the country, the next step is that we are going to type our keyword right here so that it can generate more keywords for us. So we are going to type lose weight, just something like this. Once you have typed your keyword, you are going to click right here, find keywords. As you can see, it is verifying, so you are going to wait for it. Once you click on it, you can see these are some popular keywords about weight loss. You can see the first one, how to lose weight fast. You can see the search volume is 180k. That is just for the last 8 hours. The second key phrase, you can see 60k. That is in the matter of 1 day. The third one, you can see 31k in the matter of 20 hours. The third one, you can see 31k in the matter of 20 hours. The fourth one is 26k in the matter of 10 hours. These are some of the keywords that people use when they are searching for weight loss products. So we can use these keywords to get the right people to click on our link. Apart from these keywords, if you scroll down further, you can see many of them. You can see a lot of different keywords that you can copy and paste in your ad. You can see a whole lot of them. So now what you have to do is that we have to copy these keywords and then use them as part of our ad. Because we are using the free version, we have to copy them one by one. So just highlight and copy them one after the other. Once you highlight and copy a keyword, you are going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste the keyword, you are going to press enter. Once that is done, you are going to paste another keyword right here. So you have to enter as many keywords that you want. If you want, you can even expand it. Just drag it so that you can enter as many keywords as you want. As you can see, I've entered my keywords. You can see them right here. Once you have entered your keywords, you are going to scroll down so that you can enter the rest of the details. Once you scroll down, you can see right here, you are going to select the category. You can see a lot of different categories. In this case, we are going to select health and fitness. So just select it. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. There are many other categories that you can select. So all that you need to do is that you have to click right here and then scroll down so that you can select any of the categories that you want. You can see a lot of different categories that you can select. You can see a whole lot of them. Any of the categories that is related to your product, you can select it. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, we are targeting health and fitness category, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here, limit. If you want to limit your budget, you can select that. You can see campaign click limit. If you want to limit the number of clicks that you get, you can select that. Click frequency. If you want to limit the number of times that a person will click on your ad, you can select that. But in this case, I'm going to leave everything at default, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see prices and binding. They have automatic prices for each country that you select. You can see the countries that you have selected. Each of them have a default bid. You can see everything. You can see Australia, we are going to be paying 1 cent per 1,000 impression. You can see in Canada, we are going to be paying 77 cents per 1,000 impression. You can see New Zealand is 1 cent per 1,000 impression. South Africa is $1.09 per 1,000 impression. United Kingdom is 2 cents per 1,000 impression. United States is 15 cents per 1,000 impression. Once you have selected your pricing and binding, the next step is that you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see start date and then end date. You have to select the time that you want your ad to start and the time that you want it to end. In this case, I'm not going to schedule it. I want it to start immediately, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see optimization sources list. We are not going to enter anything, so just leave it. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. The rest of these details does not matter, so just leave it. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down to the button. Once you scroll to the button, you are going to click right here, create. Once you click on create, you are going to see a page like this. Click right here, continue to add promo. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. The next step is that you are going to enter your promotion name right here. So let's type Live Pure, something like this, Live Pure. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see right here settings. If you want to set anything, you can click on it and then make your settings. But in this case, we are not going to set anything, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you can see target URL. This is where you are going to paste your affiliate link. So you have to go back on Clickbank so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you come back on Clickbank, you are going to click right here, copy, so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to search for tinyurl.com. Once you search for it, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. Once you paste it, you are going to click right here, shorten URL. As you can see, the link has been shortened. Click right here, copy. Once you have copied your link, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you are going to create the ad. We are not going to add images because the ad format that we selected is direct link. So we are promoting a direct link. We are not going to add images. So once you have pasted your affiliate link, the next step is that you are going to click on create so that you can create your ad. As you can see, success, launch an advertising campaign. You are going to click right here, launch and continue. Once you click on launch and continue, your ad has been created, but we don't have funds in our accounts, so the ad is not going to run. So you have to deposit money into your accounts before your ad can start getting traffic. To deposit money into your accounts, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, finance. Once you click on finance, you can deposit money into your accounts so that you can start getting traffic. Anytime the visitors buy the products, you are going to be earning money on Clickbank. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button. Press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.